morning guys, this is the second video in our kayaking series. It's day 4 of our journey. We're about a third of the way along the Thames River. This is Andy. This is a second video I'm making in the series, so some people might not have watched the first one. If you didn't watch the first one, Andy runs a charity called Regenerate, and the reason we're doing this long kayak ride is to raise money for Regenerate.
We are extremely grateful to everyone that's supported.
Yeah, thanks a lot guys. The first thing we're going to do is try and find a coffee shop.
Yes!
Oh, back in the water!
Water! Bro, it's raining. We need to get it on. Yeah, look, it's raining, bro.
How far have we gone?
Half a mile, maybe 3/4. That cloud's caught up with us. 6.4 miles, 1 hour 46. Coffee break. There was a little light shower, which we avoided, and now the sun has come out. I definitely need some more sun cream on my forehead. Oh, we are off again. Oh, the sunshine is glorious. Oh yeah. Oh, this is really nice. Oh, lovely. Okay, we have 6 miles left. It's been a pretty chilled day actually. Other than the rain, it's been pretty nice. We just had a coffee and another long lunch break. And yeah, onward. I'm feeling good, just achy shoulders, that's it today. This is the way to roll. Got Steve on my left, Alfie on my right.
Boys, you're not rafting up with us?
No, we're doing good distance.
Guys, check this out. There's this like glass dining room extended over the river. That's amazing. Good morning guys, it's day 5 of our kayaking adventure. We've done 80 miles, 90 miles, something like that.
I reckon, yeah.
And we are the absolute last people to leave today because Steve wasn't feeling too well last night and he's needed a little bit of this morning just to recover. How are you feeling now, percentage wise?
I reckon I'm like half better.
Yeah?
Like 50% better. Yeah, I'm just feeling a bit weak. I think we're going to take it slow. Like, yeah, I think my body dealt with whatever it was, whether it was food or the river last night, and now I'm kind of like
just need to recover, bro.
Yeah, but I'm happy that I'm able to continue the trip. That's the main thing.
Yeah. Oh yes, bruv.
Yes, bro.
We have actually caught up with some of the group, which is insane. Rashane unfortunately dropped his phone in the lock, so he's gonna go scuba diving to go get it.
Get it, bro. Fair play.
Oh, that's incredible.
You got it? Got it! Come on, get it, bro.
Get that, bro. It is by far the rainiest day today, and we've just stopped for some lunch. I'm soaking wet. Oh, this is lovely. Warm up by the fire. Yusuf isn't wearing any trousers. He's just got a towel around his waist. Wait, I don't think they've ever had anyone come in here without trousers on before.
He asked me if he got any trousers, and I got in the river.
Right, back in the river. The rain has stopped. I'm so happy about this. It's still pretty damp. How you feeling, Steve?
Okay, I think.
Yeah.
Definitely happy with the progress we made this morning, though.
Oh yeah, we need to put our Stravas back on. We are tracking our entire route on Strava. You can follow us on there, we'll link it below. It's been a perfect lunch break though, because I was cold and soaking wet, and we've just been inside for like an hour heating up by the fire. Bro, I wouldn't want to be damp all day, would you?
I mean, I reckon we did 70% of our kayak this morning, which is all raining.
Yeah.
Like I was sodden, proper soaking.
Yeah.
Yes, mate.
I'm feeling good now though, this is good. Hopefully the rain doesn't come back. We are 13.8 miles into today. We still have about 6 miles to go. Oh yeah, I think we've done about halfway of the entire trip now, right?
Yeah, we have. Yeah.
Have we done 100 miles yet? Yeah, we're exactly halfway on our entire trip. We're in Henley. This is where they do the regatta, isn't it?
That's so crazy, bro.
So we're in Henley. The Henley Regatta is like the rowing race they do here once a year, I think.
When is Henley Regatta?
Is it soon?
I feel like it might be. He's not all for it.
Maybe, bro.
This is a nice little stretch of water.
I like this. Henley's lovely.
It is nice, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, we made it to the end point of today. It was my hardest day yet. I think the same for Steve. Tomorrow, we're only going to do 6 miles, which is amazing. We're going to do that in the afternoon. I'm just so exhausted. I haven't been able to edit any videos really. I was going to try to tonight, but I can barely keep my eyes open. So yeah, we'll catch you in the morning for day 6. We're over halfway there, guys. Good morning, guys. Today is day 6 of the kayaking trip. We've got a new kayaker with us. This is my friend James. Hello. We actually met at Buckingham Palace last week, which is cool, for the D of E thing. He's joining us for today. Thankfully, today is just a bit of a chill one. We're doing 6 miles, which should probably only take us like 2 hours. Alfie and Zoe are coming up. Zoe hasn't been with us yet, so we'll see how she does. Zoe's with us. Hey, Zoe!
Hi!
Do you want this? Are you ready to kayak?
Yeah, I've never even sat in a kayak.
Oh my gosh, this is amazing.
Oh, you can't make it.
Okay, so we're going to carry this double kayak for Alfie and Zoe. We're going to carry it over to the weir and then set off. Oh, I'm feeling good. There you go. It's fun, back on the water. Pretty chill day. Oh. Yeah! How cold is it? Yes, boys.
There it goes.
Oi, that was a good dive, that one. Guys, James lives in a boat, a little bit like that one.
A little bit like that. No, mine's prettier than that. Lady A she's called. What's it called? Lady A. A can be whatever you want it to be. Adventure's a good one though.
Lady Adventure, yeah, I like that.
Yeah. It bounces off the water. The UV just bounces off the water.
Yeah. Oh, you got your spray deck on. Are you going to do some rolls? I thought you were going to go in then. You're going to roll it? Roll it, Andy. Hey, roll it. Yeah, do it. Give it a roll. Zoe, watch this.
Go on, you got it.
Yay! 2.5 miles in, almost halfway. Seems like nothing compared to most days, but oh, it's so nice. Yeah. This is our second lock of the day. Oh, you got a good rhythm going there. Yeah. How are you finding it so far? Yeah?
This boat is just wet.
You're getting proper wet.
Like, look at my legs. Yeah.
Alfie, do you want my rain jacket to put on your legs? Nah. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Zoe's here. Wait, I'm FaceTiming Raya. Oh.
How's it going?
It's fun.
Yeah?
I've never been in a kayak before.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow, you're straight in.
Raya, you're sideways. You're sideways.
You're sideways.
No, you're sideways. We are done for the day. We've arrived at this lock, Cookham Lock. We're having a little camp out. Got some food cooking over here. Yes, bruv. Where'd you get your bags from?
Just found it on the floor.
What?
There's a load of bags up there.
Is there?
I think yours is up there.
I need to get my laptop because we're going Thai massage.
I'm bringing this guy.
We are going to get a massage now, guys. It's long overdue. Found a place in Maidenhead. So we're going to whiz into town, get a massage and come back and hang out with everyone. I have a new tent. My last one got flooded and broke and stuff. Steve and Alfie in their tent. Are you ready for tomorrow? What is it tomorrow? 20 miles?
23 apparently.
23 miles.
Which probably will end up being 25.
And we're going to end up in Chertsey, which is basically really near where I grew up. So I'm excited. Good morning, guys. It's day 7 of our kayaking trip. People are feeling tired this morning. How many miles today? 21?
21.8.
21.8 miles today. We've just spotted this boat, guys, with a hot tub on the top. We have done 9 miles, so almost halfway there, and we've just arrived in Windsor. And turn the corner and check this out. Windsor Castle. Wait, do you know I've never seen Windsor Castle before?
Have you not?
No. Right, we've had our brunch, lunches 4 miles away, so we need to make sure we have room for that, but I'm sure we will because we're burning so many calories each day. How are you feeling today, Andy?
Loving being with everybody on this most wonderful day.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it? We're going a lot slower today, but it's cool because we're all together, which is nice. We've just been waiting at this lock for kind of 10-15 minutes. I think none of us are in a rush today. Yes, so we've been going for quite a while since Windsor, but we are still at the back of Windsor Castle. Like, we're still, this is the grounds here, this is like the garden, the Queen's Garden, and we just had a security vehicle with armed police pull up and kind of follow us. But yeah, look, the Crown Estate, check that out. This is a protected site under section 128 of the Serious Organised Crime and Police Act 2005. Trespass on this site is a criminal offence.
Have you seen Andy stand up?
Yeah, just stand up paddleboarding.
Oh, but I've got all my shit in my pocket this time, Andy.
I'm not going to capsize you.
You are.
I might fall in myself.
No, you are.
Andy, only if I grab you.
Yeah, you will definitely.
Dave, those double cuts.
It's really fun every time we go under the bridges because we just shout for the echo. Something I've been really surprised at on this whole trip so far, we're a week in now, is there's barely any rubbish in the river. I thought there'd be quite a lot collected in the river, like on the sides, but I've probably seen less than 10 pieces of rubbish the entire 120 miles or whatever we've done, 125 miles. Like, it's kind of it's just really shocking in a good way, I guess. Now, I don't know whether that's because most of the rubbish kind of washes downstream to the sea, but either way, it's nice to be somewhere that just feels clean, because I've been to some rivers in the world and they are just horrific. Guys, this dog has been running alongside us for like 2 miles, so Hassan's going to try and get him to come and sit on his kayak with him.
Not actually, the other one.
Oh, I don't think he wants to. Oh, there he is! That dog has literally followed us for 2 miles. We've arrived at a campsite in Chertsey. Chilling out for the night. Veggie pasta, veggie sausage. Perfect meal for the end of the day. Good morning, guys. It's day 8 of the kayak trip. It's a beautiful, beautiful day today. Bro, have you got sun cream on? It's going to be a scorcher.
Lots, bro.
We are heading to Putney. Whew. I guess it's like is it like 23 miles or something?
24 miles.
24 miles. We
25.
better get on the water because we're having a slightly later start. Andy. Steve, can you remind me to reapply my sun cream later? How are you feeling today, Steve?
I feel 126%.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bro, so do I, and I only got 4 hours sleep.
I don't know how you do it, man.
Oh, guys, I'm literally already sweating hard. Yeah. Steve, do you want to try and do my back from the kayak? You feeling good today, Andy?
Yeah, I do. Considering we went to bed about 1.
Yeah.
I haven't had more than 5 hours sleep a night.
Yeah, it's crazy because you're also putting your body under so much.
What do you think that says about me?
probably the same as me, FOMO. You want to stay out and hang out with people as late as possible so you don't miss out on anything.
100%.
Even at the risk of your own, like, being knackered the next day.
Yeah.
I shout out to Ben. This is Ben's kayaking club. We are 3.5 miles in. We just passed Walton Bridge. This is really near where I grew up and went to school. Steve, you used to live around there, didn't you?
Literally 10 minutes away from there, if that.
It's so weird being back in our ends, back in our area. Alfie's met some of his viewers rowing past. All right, race them, Steve, take them down. Oh, they're gone. Okay, there's no chance. Look at that one stroke. Okay, we're gonna race these rowers on our left. Okay, ready? Oh, go, go!
Oh my God.
Oh my God! I need you to cut me up, cut me up! Okay, that didn't work. Oh my gosh, my butt is so
alignment,
wet.
mate. You've got to align before you go.
No, I literally
Are you
have
okay?
never been so. Yeah, I'm fine.
Are you alright?
I'm just soaking wet. Are we gonna go and get a coffee? Nice. Oh. Yeah, good. Hampton Court. This is incredible. Thank you. A little brunch.
There we go. Should fill the holes in your teeth.
Yeah. Bro, the sun makes me so happy. Right, we're coming into Kingston. This whole day has just been incredible because I pretty much recognised everywhere we've been kayaking down. Wait, look at all the swannies!
Not funny.
Oh, yes, bro. Hello. Bro, we're in Kingston. We're in Kingston. What?
How you doing, Lee?
So good, man. So good. We just had a coffee break at Teddington. We've had a little rest and we are now, this is the last lock in the Thames. We're now on the tidal Thames and the tide is in our favour right now. You boys ready for a flow? Let's do this.
Sorry, I had a spider on my hat. Let's go.
We just set off. We have a problem. We have this little skeg that drops at the back to give us stability and direction.
Give me your paddle, Lee.
And all of our skegs have got pebbles stuck in them, so I managed to get them out of Steve and Alfie's, but mine is lodged deep in there. But I don't think, I think it's too big. But I think you need a little screwdriver or something, don't you? Oi! Thanks, bro. I just got ambushed by my dad and my friend Sam, who just arrived on their little boat, little speedboat. Yeah, when you came up behind me, I had no idea what was going on. I was like, why is someone this close to me? And I thought you were going to capsize me.
They're hiding in the bushes on the side.
Oh, that's funny. We thought after Teddington we'd get a stronger current, but we haven't really felt it yet. We have got to Hammersmith Bridge. We've only got a couple of miles left. I'm currently doing a live stream on Instagram. My dad's following us with a drone, and I'm vlogging, so capturing it from every angle. This Hammersmith Bridge. Thank you to those of you that have been supporting this journey and supporting what we're up to and sponsoring us, and or even just watching and yeah, giving us that moral support. It's been really cool. Where are we going, Andy? This makes me so happy. Sunshine, friends, achieving something fun together, going on a big adventure. Yeah, oh my gosh. So good, so good. Oh, I don't want to get off the river, I'm loving it. Oh, yeah.
We've just got 2 days to go, so just through central London tomorrow and then out into the ocean the next day. And, but thank you everyone for supporting us. It's raised loads of money. We just had a look, it's over £30,000 now. All the money that we raise is going into the work that Regenerate does in day out on the housing estates in Putney and Hampton, working with young people. And this trip is a challenge, but we're kind of doing it as like we're trying to raise money to support young people that go through challenges on daily and weekly basis and helping them come through those challenges, like how we're overcoming this challenge.
Right, it's the end of the day and it's the end of my second kayaking vlog. I'm ending this vlog on a high from just an incredible day, incredible week really of just solid kayaking, and yeah, I guess leaving on the note that I couldn't recommend more that you guys go out there and find something that challenges you, find something that maybe scares you a little bit, but something that can help push you to, yeah, I guess try something new and, yeah, I guess push out your comfort zone and something, maybe set yourself a goal to achieve something that seems almost impossible for you, but I guarantee you on the journey to, I don't know, there's a firework display happening over there. On the journey to achieving that and going through the kind of often a bit of discomfort or pain to get there, it's honestly so rewarding, and I can't recommend more. Yeah, just trying something new and just going for it and finding other people to go for it as well. Anyway, whilst you can still hear me before the fireworks completely drown me out, I'm ending the vlog here, but the next kayaking vlog is us going through central London, and it's going to be pretty amazing, so stay tuned. Peace out, enjoy life and live the adventure.